Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, there is an important update or some important information that you must know, like 2022 batch must know about WIPRO NLTH Elite. Okay, because if you don't know these kind of instruction, there is a high chance you will not be getting a selection or your application will not be getting submitted to this particular opening. Okay, there are so much students from us, from our students who have suffered this for 2020 first batch passing out and 2090 passing out batch without taking into consideration of these kind of instructions or information. They have missed their opportunity. They couldn't apply at the time of registration. Okay, so since they have missed this opportunity. Okay, so it is exclusively for 2022 batch students. So you only will be there, no competition from 21st and 20th and 19th batch students. So there's a high chance if you go through all the instructions and if you obey all those kind of things while registration, you will get to attend it. And it is examinations used to be moderate, so you will pass it anyway and you will get placed. Okay, so let's see now what are those kind of things. So one by one, let's go to the instructions and all the dates things. Okay, so first we have the events. So events in this tentative days are there, that is starting of registration process usually occurs in second week of December and it will be there till third week of January. Like you will be getting approximately a 1 month duration for the registration. So once the link is out, you have to make your registration at the earliest. Make sure that all the documents are there with you, in the sense resume, then your passport size photo, all these kind of primary documents are there with you. Okay, get scanned copies, carry it in your phone itself or make it in a drive. Like when you are not in home, if something happened, you must be able to do it, right? So just carry the soft copy with you every time, because hard copy will not be able, like will not be there in our hands every time. Okay, so now coming to the date of online assessment, third week of January 2022. Okay, that is online assessment. After registration, you will not be getting enough time for the preparation of online assessment. Okay, like you will be thinking, okay, after registration I'll just prepare. So it is not like that. And also at the time of November, December and January, university used to schedule their final, their semester examination. So at that time you will be messing up these things with us. So now itself you just start preparing for these kind of competitive examination, for the aptitude, programming, everything, like half an hour to 1 hour a day you can spend for that. Okay, so this will definitely help you. At that time you'll be having online, like a university examination, so don't mess it up with and lose this kind of opportunities. Okay, now declaration of result will be from 4th week of January, soon after the online assessment is done. So now next we have some things like what is the content of the online assessment. Okay, so here the total duration is 128 minutes. 3 sections will be there. That is, first section is aptitude test. That test will be having logical ability, will be evaluated, quantitative ability, then English verbal ability, some kind of proportions will be missing and you have to fill that. Some kind of comprehension passages will be given, you have to read and know about it and give the answers. Those kind of English verbal ability will be there. And next, this total duration for this is 48 minutes. And next we'll be having written communication test, essay writing, that is 20 minutes. Okay, you'll be giving one topic or you'll be getting one statement you should do, and after that, with that you have to write an essay with a limited time of 20 minutes. Okay, next we'll be having online programming test. To this you will be having 2 programs for coding. Okay, you can choose which programming language that you should take care of, from Java, C, C++, or Python. Okay, so if you if you don't know all these kind of languages, you can start learning it from now itself. Take any of the language, one language is completely fine. You can just brush up the basic knowledge and basic programming things. That is enough and more. No complex. Wipro don't use to evaluate student or online programming test is not that high level. It's easy to moderate kind of things. Okay, so programming test is basically you have to brush up for the logic, like you should get the logic kind of things. And the duration is 60 minutes. You'll be having 2 questions to go and you have to compile and run the programs. So this is the basic things. And next, why it is important to know all these kind of informations. Okay, that is, there is a simple clause put forwarded by them, that is no backlogs criteria at the time of registration. So now most of the students will be writing their examination like online or offline, whatever mode it is. So you will be attending your semester examination, and before this Wipro Elite scheduled, you will be writing another set of online examinations, semester examination too. It can be online and offline. So make sure that if you are appearing, if you're planning to go for WIPRO or applied for that, or if you're planning to go for any kind of placement things, you should not get the backlogs from now. Okay, if you have backlogs currently, try to clear it at the earliest. But if you have any kind of backlogs or any kind of examinations to come, make sure that you don't get any kind of backlogs. Okay, if you got at the last moment, then your registration itself won't be successful. So this is the important instruction that you should keep in your mind from today to apply at the time of December. So now we'll be having next, that is candidates who have participated in any selection process held by WIPRO in the last 6 months are not eligible. So this designation is for the project engineer. So when you are like, if this is your designation, you should not apply for any kind of this WIPRO for the past months. Like nowadays, if any updations from the WIPRO job sections, WIPRO career section, if any updations come, if you are a 2022 passing out student, and if you plan to apply for the Allied National Hunt, then you should not apply for these time. Okay, from now you should don't try to attend any kind of things. Okay, now it's of course a competitive examination, so you must prepare well. So you try to find where you are weak at, when you're weak at this or that, and try to do it. Okay, now no second option. Okay, that is 2022 batch students, they'll be hiring only once, and the next time when they're going for that, it will be mass hiring for 2021 and 22. So you will be getting, like, you will be having more number of competition. It is now for 2022 only, so the competitions are very less, so you will be getting to crack it easily. Okay, so these are the important things that you should keep in mind from today to apply for the WIPRO Elite, which is about to follow in December. Now, moving on to the qualification, all these kind of things. Aspirants should have any of the following degrees, that is BE, BTech, 5 years integrated MTech. So these are the qualification criteria for this particular thing. Okay. Now, the branch of study will be candidates should have completed their BE, BTech 5 years integrated MTech degree in CS, IT or circuiter fields. Okay, that is computer science related branches, and circuiter fields is what they are looking forward for. And the designation to go on with is project engineer. Okay, so I think all these kind of informations are clear. So here you can see, like, application must have complete graduation in 2022. Yeah, designation selected candidates will be recruited as project engineer. Compensation will be 3.450 lakhs per annum. Now service agreement will be there. We'll have to sign a service agreement for 12 months post joining at 75,000 on pro rata basis. That is, if you're breaking this board, you have to give the compensation. Okay, so this is about the details regarding that. So I think all the details which I've mentioned is clear to you, clear to your knowledge. So what is the point of making this a reminder or alert thing is that I have already mentioned that, because now it is a month of July. So you have August, November and December, 3 months to go. So if you keep these things in mind now only, you will be successfully accepting, registering to WIPRO. There are so much students who have got discarded from the registration form. They have registered, but their registration have been got some problems and they couldn't register well. Okay, so which is very important to know about is all these kind of things. Just 5 to 10 minutes, spend it and know it. Okay, so that's about it. So share this video among your friends who is passing out in 2022. They also should know about all these kind of things before applying to WIPRO. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have any further doubts or clarifications to be done, please do mention in the comment section. I'll definitely look into that. And also suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until we meet again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to online study for you.